Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can create a video with rounded corners in Webflow. So let's get started. First, open your Webflow designer and go to the page where your video is placed. If you haven't added your video yet, simply drag a video element from the Add panel onto your canvas. You can use a YouTube, Vimeo, or custom-hosted video, whichever works best for your project. Next, select the video element and place it inside a div block. This div block will act as the container that controls the shape and radius of your video. Now, with the div block selected, go to the Style panel. Scroll down to the Borders section, and you'll find the option to set the border radius. Enter a value like 10px, 20px, or even 50% if you want a perfect circle shape depending on the look you're going for. If you notice that the corners of your video aren't rounded yet, that's because the video might be extending outside the div block. To fix that, make sure the div block has overflow set to hidden. This will clip the video perfectly within the rounded container. You can also add shadows or padding to give it a more professional and modern look. And if you want to make it responsive, use percentage-based border radius values or adjust them with breakpoints for smaller devices. Once you're happy with the design, preview your site, and you'll see your video with smooth, rounded corners exactly how you want it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.